Are you ready to make a fun wooden holiday platter? You know, the kind that holds all our pre-diabetic snacks? You're going to need wood and other supplies, like this template pattern and these router bits. But don't worry, the steps to make this product is beginner friendly, and I'm going to show you the details. Let's dive into it. After I peeled off the protective covering from the template, it exposed what bits to use for it, so you have a little instruction. We're going to use double-sided tape and stick it down to the wood. And we're going to carve out those pockets with this miniature flush trim bit. It captures the details exactly with this miniature bearing. Let's blow off those wood chips and move on to the next step, which is working on the profiled edge. But we're going to use this special bit. It's called a compression bit. You see, it's got a wheel bearing that rides along the template while the cutter head removes the material. Kind of like this. The acrylic template doesn't get damaged by the bearings or the cutter head, and you can remove it and reuse it over and over. It makes for repeatable woodworking, kind of like a CNC machine. So you can make this product and dial it into perfection every time you make it, and the more times you do it, the faster you'll get. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'll have a link to this acrylic template and all the router bits I used in this video below. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I had fun making this platter, and I know you will too. Let's dive into it and make DIY fun again.